Welcome to the video training for the Benefit Peel, a vitamin A and C exfoliating peel. This is a gentle, all-purpose treatment that rejuvenates, corrects, and protects the skin with fruit enzymes and vitamins A and C. It's great for all skin types and concerns, including conditions such as rosacea and hypersensitive skin, acne grades 1 and 2, and hyperpigmentation. Key ingredients include L-ascorbic acid and our AGP complex, which includes retinol, fruit enzymes, along with salicylic acid and Spanish moss, which help with physical exfoliation. This peel can be done in a monthly series of 4 treatments with a maximum frequency of 1 treatment every 2 weeks. This peel provides immediate results, including rejuvenation for a youthful appearance. It nourishes and protects the skin, while also calming and soothing the skin to reduce redness. This peel is also excellent at stimulating cellular turnover, collagen, and protein synthesis. Do not apply over open sores, herpes, eczema, sunburn, or irritated skin. Do not wax 3 days before or 1 week after the peel treatment. Avoid exposure to sun and tanning beds. 24 to 48 hours post-peel, do not use any alpha or beta hydroxy acids, retinol, topical skin treatments, or prescriptions. Instruct your clients to avoid swimming pools, jacuzzis, saunas, or excessive exercise, as this also can increase skin irritation. To properly prepare the skin, begin by removing makeup with purity solution. After your initial cleanse, perform a secondary cleanse with Benefit Clean or Purity Clean, depending on your client's skin type. Complete a thorough 7-point skin analysis with the assistance of a Woods lamp before moving on to the skin prep method. After cleansing, begin prepping your client for the metabolic peel by degreasing the skin with woven gauze soaked with Purity Balance. Mix equal parts of the Benefit Peel and Activator to make a running paste. After mixing the Benefit Peel and Activator, divide the product evenly between gloved hands. Press firmly over the cheeks, the forehead, and the chin to evenly distribute the product to the entire face. After distributing the product, begin light circular movements over the entire face and neck if you're including it in your treatment. Use circular manipulations to spread the product and create a physical exfoliation. While physically exfoliating the face, active ingredients like the AGP complex in the Benefit Activator will begin penetrating into the skin. You're going to massage the product over the face for up to 1 minute. Make sure to focus on any areas of concern with extra massage manipulations. After massaging the product into the skin for up to 1 minute, allow it to set for up to 10 minutes. To remove the peel, apply a moistened warm towel treatment or moistened cottons to the face. Thoroughly remove all of the granular product along with the peel. If necessary, you can follow up this removal with a cleanse with Benefit Clean. After doing the cleanse, apply a thin layer of the Relief Soothing Peptide Gel and massage it until it fully absorbs. After this application, you can apply your favorite COSMEDIX SPF.